Well, hello there. My name is Justin, and I'm taking over for our beloved host, Michael. Don't worry, he's finally escaped the studio, but it's not gonna be permanent. We are gonna drag him back in here once he gets back. We just let him out every now and then so that he can see his family and his friends. Actually, really just his family. He doesn't have too many friends. But don't worry, he'll be back in January to ring in 2025 with our first batch of offers for the brand new year. In the meantime, you do have to deal with me though, so hang in there. Hopefully I can get some more clout here. I hear they pay you better the more videos you're in. Well, we're here today for December's top offers video, and let me tell you, these offers are definitely on Santa's nice list. Merry and bright with excellent conversion rates, they are truly the gifts that keep on giving. So sit back, cue up Mariah Carey, sip a festive bevy, and take in these last top offers before the end of 2024. At number 5, we have PotentStream. PotentStream is a prostate health supplement made with a proprietary blend of all natural ingredients that come together to complement each other and create a powerhouse concoction. PotentStream combats hard water mineral buildup in the prostate, ultimately deteriorating its health and functionality. Affiliates are loving this offer because of its quality product that converts well across all platforms, including email, YouTube, native, and Facebook. The best part for affiliates are hands down its robust affiliates tools page. You gotta take a look at these. With relevant product value statements, demo information, and a VSL crafted by experts in the space, the masterminds behind PotentStream really made it easy for you guys to succeed. Head over to the marketplace today to check it out and then start promoting. Now, let's get to those all important numbers. PotentStream is currently seeing an EPC of $1.05, an average affiliate payout of $135.62, and a hop conversion rate of 0.77%. As you can see, these are pretty potent numbers for PotentStream. We all know it, and we all love it. In spot number 4, it's ProDentim. This top offer is a mainstay on the list, and it's no surprise. This melt-in-your-mouth dental candy supports a healthy mouth biome, reducing cavities and tartar buildup. Promoting ProDentim is made easy by their team, who have created an expert VSL, teamed up with a reputable doctor for endorsement, and an additional order bump to help increase that AOV, make sure that you guys get the best payout possible. We know them and we love them. ProDentim is truly the evergreen offer to promote on ClickBank. Check out their listing in the marketplace today. They're seeing an average affiliate payout of $135.25. Guys, if you're looking for the #1 proven dental offer right now of 2024, look no further than ProDentim. Real quick, if you're looking to buy yourself a gift that truly will benefit yourself this December, look into our one-on-one coaching. Go to the description below, click on our link, and you're gonna find out that we have teamed up with some of the best super affiliates on ClickBank to provide you guys with one-on-one coaching. These are proven, successful, platinum level affiliates that wanna give back to the next generation of affiliate marketers and help you guys scale and bust through your plateaus. Now, to spot number 3, it's the coffee juggernaut, JavaBurn. JavaBurn has been a classic ClickBank powerhouse offer over the years, and there's really no guessing why. It's a diet and weight loss supporting product that goes straight into your coffee every morning. Tasteless, easy to remember, and effective, JavaBurn boosts metabolism, increases energy, and burns fat like crazy. This is a great offer to start promoting now as folks are already planning for their 2025 weight loss goals. This particular weight loss product does well against many demographics, including men and women and various age groups. The landing page is awesome, the descriptions are incredible, and with upsells and free shippings for multiples, it's easy to increase that AOV. Head over to the marketplace and take a look at their landing page. Then, grab your link and start promoting today. You really won't regret Java. Guys, the main stat that I want to point out for JavaBurn is their awesome affiliate payout at $152.18. Every single time you make a sale, that just means big money in your pocket. All right, now we are on to the top 2 offers for December 2024. In spot number 2, it's Nagano Tonic, another exceptional diet and weight loss offer. From the visionaries behind multiple incredible ClickBank offers, Nagano Tonic harnesses a bespoke blend of exotic ingredients that wake up the dormant metabolism. These supplements support weight loss, metabolism, and They're anti-aging. With all of these benefits, it's obvious why Nagano Tonic is here at spot number 2. Now, on top of all that, you've got to check out their robust affiliate tools. With email swipes, high converting VSL, tons of images and more, the creators behind this product have given you a leg up on promoting. Now's the time to take advantage of it. Head to the marketplace and grab your link now to get started. So guys, for Nagano, the one stat that I really want to share with you guys is their awesome EPC. At $1.01, Nagano continues to be strong no matter what season of the market we're in. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for the final present under the tree. That's right, guys. It's spot number 1. It's ProstaVive. This prostate health supporting offer has dominated the top offers this month, which with its awesome EPC and its even better affiliate payout. ProstaVive is a supplement containing a powerful blend of all natural ingredients that increase blood flow to the prostate. With a whole host of health benefits in addition to boosting prostate performance, ProstaVive is truly a gift for men over 45 and for affiliates looking to promote to that demographic. The affiliate tools are exceptional and include excellent demo information. This offer does require approval, so head to that tools page and make sure that you get approved today. Now, let's look at those impressive numbers. With an EPC of $1.05 and a hop conversion rate of 0.77%, it's no secret or no shock as to why ProstaVive is number 1 this month. And just like in the movie The Christmas Story, I got one final gift for you hidden behind the couch. No, it's not a Red Ryder air rifle BB gun, but it is a new offer that you should be looking out for as we wrap up Q4 and head into Q1. That offer is GumAktiv with an EPC and a conversion rate both over $1 and 1% respectively, and a strong average payout. I expect that this one's gonna pull some great traffic here shortly. So make sure that you get in early and get approved for this one. Well, folks, we did it again. We completed another segment of the ClickBank Top Offers video, and with that, another full year of ClickBank Top Offers. Where did the time go? Hey, and what a year it was. ProDentim has once again proven itself to be a true evergreen offer. We saw new offers like ProVive rise through the ranks, Nagano Tonic made a few appearances, and Potent Stream was a hit too. And while all of these offers are gifts in themselves, all we want here at ClickBank for Christmas is you. Here's the 2024. See you next year, friends.